There are 44 sounds in the English language, and all these 44 sounds are represented with the symbols that you can see on the screen. But on the left side, we have the consonant sounds, which are 24, and the remaining 20 are vowel sounds. So altogether makes 44. Now let's go into this lesson proper to learn the pronunciation of each of these sounds, as well as sample words that have these sounds in them. Number 1, pat, pat, pat. Number 2, b, 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 bat, bat, bat. Number 3, teep, teep, teep. Number 4, d, 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 deep, deep, deep. Number 5, fan, fan, fan. Number 6, van, van, van. Number 7, s, 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 seep, seep, seep. Number 8, z, 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 zip, zip, zip. Number 9, cane, cane, cane. Number 10, g, 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 game, game, game. Number 11, thought, thought, thought. Number 12, z, 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 though, though, though. Number 13, sheet, sheet, sheet. Sh. Number 14, j, j, j. Measure, measure, measure. Number 15, ch, 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 cheat, cheat, cheat. Number 16, j, 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 jog, jog, jog. Number 17, team, team, team. Number 18, teen, teen, teen. Number 19, thin, thin, thin. Number 20, house, house, house. Number 21, long, long, long. Number 22, wrong, wrong, wrong. 23, win, win, win. 24, the last for consonant sounds, y, 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 you, you, you. Now there are 20, like we said, 20 vowel sounds. 24 consonants, 20 vowels, and on the screen we have the 20 of them again. Let's practice their pronunciation as well as words that have those sounds in them. You can also pronounce as I do. If I pronounce any of these symbols, you can pronounce them with me, and even the words too, you can pronounce them with me just to get better with your pronunciation. And let's begin. Number 1, I, I, I. Sit, 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 as in a verb to sit down. Number 2, E, E, E. So this one is a bit more relaxed and a bit longer, as in where to sit down. Sit, sit, sit. Number 3, oo, oo, oo. Shorter and sharper. Pull, 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 as in to draw something closer to your body. Number 4, ooh, ooh, ooh. Longer and a bit stretched. Pool, 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 as in swimming pool. Number 5, ah, ah, ah. Cat, 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 as in pussy cat. Number 6, ah, ah, ah. A bit more relaxed and longer. Cart, 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 as in shopping cart. Number 7, oh, oh, oh. Shorter and sharper. The example word, pot, 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 as in cooking pot. Number 8 is the longer version. Oh, oh, oh. A bit more relaxed and longer. Port, 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 as in airport, seaport, or what other port you may know. Number 9, eh, eh, eh. Shorter and sharper. The example word, bed, 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 as in mattress that you lie on. Number 10, It's just as if you're saying number 9, but with your tongue curled upward. So it's a bit coily. The sound is a bit coily for number 10. So it's Example, bird, bird, bird. Number 11, as if someone punched you in the stomach and you know the air forcefully comes out. Example word, love, love, love. Number 12, which is also called the chua sound. It's the most relaxed, and your tongue does not change its natural position. It remains flat at the bottom of your mouth. Teacher, teacher, teacher. Number 13, here we've entered the diphthongs, and you can see or notice that they are composed of 2 monophthongs, 2 of those single ones that we just finished, right? So this number 13, you can see, is comprises of number 9 and number 1. Have you noticed? It's comprising of number 9 and number 1. So once you know from 1 to 12, the remaining ones of the 20, you can pronounce them, because the pronunciation is the combination of the 2 monophthongs that they are made of, right? So remember, number 9 is e and number 1 is e. So for number 13, we would have e, i, e, I, e, I, e, I, a. So that's the sound a. An example word, 8, 8, 8. Number 14 is comprising of the number 6, the R sound, and then number 1 again. That's A and E. So if you pronounce it fast enough, you will hear I. Example word, high. All right, number 15, as you can see, is comprising of number 6 again, the long R, and then number 3. Okay, so it's ow. Example word, cow. All right, number 16. If you notice, it's comprising of the schwa sound, that is number 12, and then number 3 again. So we have the schwa sound, and then the number 3, oo. So oh. All right, and our example is home. Number 17. You can notice it's having the number 1 sound again, E, and then the schwa sound, so E, ear. Pronounce it fast enough, you get ear. And our example word is fear, to have fear for something. Number 18, we have the sound, that is number 9, and then the schwa sound again, so number 9 and number 12. And if you combine them and pronounce it fast enough, you hear and our sample word is fair. So you see the difference. One is ear, one is one is ear, one is so fear, and then fair. Number 19, you can see is having the number 8 sound. Notice the similarity. Number 8, yes, that's the O, the long O, right? And then it's having the number 1 sound. So that is O and E. O E. All right, our sample word, if you pronounce it fast enough, you hear oi. Now our sample word here is boy. Number 20, which is the last vowel sound, is having the U sound, that is number 3, combination of number 3 and number 12, the schwa sound. And in that case, our number 3 is pronounced as U, short and sharp, and our number 12 is pronounced as relaxed, short but relaxed. And in combination, we will hear and if you pronounce it fast enough, you hear and a sample word for us here is sewer from sewage. Okay, sewer. All right, and that is that about that. Was this lesson helpful? Smash the like button, drop me a comment to let me know, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for many more phonetics and oral English lessons like this to come. Till we meet again, bye for now.